Good morning. My name is Edward. By now you have received your hydroponic unit, these two boxes. In this video, I will be showing you how to turn these two boxes into this beautiful unit. It holds 48 plants, and since I scattered the seeding, the plants are in different stage of growth. It provides you with salad and herb year-round, free of charge. The top box has 64 of these individual pieces. Line them up together like this and press, snap, finished. These are important. These are the cup that would hold the water. There's a slot, is a tapered slot. Put it in and press it firmly. It'll stay. Eight of these units together. Same thing. Done. Make sure the cups are there, the little cups are there. I've done this before. So this just sits nicely right there. They go on top, and just like everything else, it will just snap nicely. Now, your system comes with all these pieces included. All you need to do is to put the pump from the top all the way down. Send the hose, send the wire from one of these slots out. This is your irrigation unit. It's simply and it would sit. Now it is important that you adjust that tap down there so that these water fountains, they actually reach the side as they are doing in this one. Otherwise your plants are gonna die. This needs to be plugged into power. The pump uses about 4 watts an hour, so it's going to be about like $4 or $5 a year. Your unit would come with 64 of these growing foams and these pots. You simply open it up like this, put a few seeds right in the center, close it, and press it halfway down. Done. Drop it in there. You're done now. You can watch it grow. Now, meanwhile, with your hydroponic unit would come 2 sachets. It's nutrients for a whole year. Instruction would be included in those sachets. So just read it and follow it.